Hi, my name is Michelle Inglesano. I am the co-author of Methylation Madness, Insight into the Biochemical and Personal Lives of Hypermethylators. I've written this book with my co-author and orthomolecular biochemical nutritionist, Dr. Terence Doolin. Dr. Doolin has been treating me initially for anxiety and panic in my 20s, and then went on to treat me for some hormonal issues, and then saved my life about 8 years ago from acute liver failure due to toxicity from a methylating antibiotic. In this section, I am going to be talking about what are methylation problems. Here's the excerpt of the day. What exactly is methylation, and how does it relate to the MTHFR? This topic has been a hot button issue for the last 4 years. To really understand the what, why, and how issues, we first must look at what is really the most basic sense of the word. Methylation is a chemical process that takes a carbon atom with 3 hydrogen atoms attached to it and moves it from one chemical compound to another chemical compound. Since the carbon atom can bond with 4 things, not just 3, it will attach to other chemical compounds via that open bond. That is the long and short of methylation chemistry. Now, why portion comes into play. The body does this to change the way a chemical acts and allows the body to do other things to it. A great example is detox. Sometimes chemicals aren't in the right chemical format to be removed from the body. That means the body has to change it into something else before it can remove it via the kidneys or bowels. Much of this activity takes place in the liver, the main area of detoxing. Detoxing is more of a man-made term rather than an accurate one. The body can use methylating CH3 molecules, oxygen molecules, O, oxidation, sulfur molecules, S, sulfuration, and water molecules, H2O, hydration, to change the chemical into something that can be removed by the kidneys and bowels. This is as simple as it gets for an explanation. It has many steps and other enzymes that make these work. The body may use them all together or singly to achieve the goal of removing the chemical. So something can be methylated and then hydrogenated, or it can be oxidized and then hydrated. So the body uses all these to achieve the goal. But what happens when these mechanisms aren't quite functioning to the highest degree? This is when the body can't effectively remove the chemicals it needs to, and waste byproducts or toxic chemicals build up in the body. This can lead to organ failure and disease. Thank you for listening.